Hello everyone, welcome to the session. I'm Rakhi from evidyarthi.in and I welcome you all for the new session of vocabs. So let's get started with the first word of this particular video, and the word for you is intrepid. See my dear friends, most of you might pronounce this particular word as intrepid. No, it's not intrepid. The pronunciation is intrepid. Intrepid. Fine. And the meaning for this word is fearless, or we can say adventurous. That means bold and someone who is having fear of nothing. Fine. So, for example, the intrepid kitten walked slowly in front of two big dogs. Fine. The next word for you is vilify. Vilify. See, the pronunciation of this particular word is vilify, not vilify. We will not pronounce this word as vilify. We will say it as vilify. Fine. And the meaning for the word is to say or write unpleasant things about someone or something. Fine. In a nutshell, I can say that means to cause a bad opinion of someone in front of others. Fine. And the meaning which I have written over here on the board is also very much clear, that it means to say or write some bad things about someone. Fine. So, to say or write unpleasant things about someone or something, and I hope I have explained it to you very nicely. So, the sentence regarding this particular word vilify is Radhika's husband tried to vilify her during their child custody battle. I hope it's clear to you. Now the third word for you is pester. Pester means, see my dear friends, in a nutshell I want to clear this particular word and its meaning. Pester means to annoy somebody. For example, asking someone about something several times. Okay, so if you are asking someone about something several times, many times, obviously that person will get irritated, annoyed, frustrated from you. So, it means pester. So, what is the meaning of pester? Trouble or annoy with frequent or persistent request or interruption. Same as I told you that if you are asking someone about something several times, obviously that person will get annoyed. And it means pester. For example, she constantly pestered him with her telephone calls. I repeat, she constantly pestered him with telephone calls. I hope it's been clear to all of you. Coming to the next word, zenith. Zenith. I hope the meaning of this word is known to all of you. Well, zenith means the time at which someone or something is most powerful. The time at which someone or something is most powerful, or we can say the most successful time of someone or something. Fine. Or we can say the highest point. Fine. So, zenith has two meanings. See, first I told you, if I'm talking about the first meaning, I'm talking regarding the emotions. I'm talking about somebody's thing. Fine. For example, if I take example of mine, that I can say my career reached its zenith in 2018. Clear? So, zenith means the time at which someone or something is most powerful. Okay, that means the most successful time of somebody's life, or the next meaning is the highest point. That means you reached the zenith of that mountain. That means you reached the highest point of that particular mountain. I hope the two meanings regarding zenith word is clear to all of you. And the example which I quoted you was of course about me. What I told you, that my career reached its zenith in 2018. Clear? The next one, humdrum. Humdrum means lacking excitement. That means boring, unexcited. Fine. So, for example, Tanya fell asleep during Professor's humdrum speech. I repeat, Tanya fell asleep during Professor's humdrum speech. I hope all these meanings, I should say all the meanings regarding all these words is clear to all of you, and I hope that you will learn them at your best and apply these words in your daily routine. Or we can say, whenever you are giving the competitive exams, obviously these words will help you. So be in constant contact with us. Stay tuned, and it's me Rakhi saying you all now goodbye and take care.